How to log in into the SBI Credit Card account. Hey guys, let's get started. In order to get logged in into your SBI Credit Card account, first of all open any of your preferred browser. Then on the search bar type in SBI Credit Card Login or SBI Card Login. This will give you multiple login options, but make sure to click on www.sbicard.com option. Here are three ways by which you can log in to access your credit card account. The first one is using your mobile number, the next is using the user ID, and the third one is using the card details. So for this, you just have to provide your mobile number, verification code, and proceed to the password. Likewise, in the user ID as well, you just have to provide your user ID and then proceed for the CAPTCHA. And the same process is for card details as well. But you have to provide your primary card. I'll be using my user ID for this. Provide the user ID that I was given, then click on proceed. Then you have to use the authentication image and text and give the password. Once that is done, you can generate the OTP and you're good to go to log in. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.